If you need to accept a friend request on Epic Games, this video will walk you through it step by step in a quick and easy way. Whether you're using the Epic Games launcher or you're already inside a game, the process is very simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming guides just like this. First, open the Epic Games launcher or launch the game where you want to manage your friends. Once you're in, look for the friends icon. In the launcher, you'll usually find it in the top right corner. In a game, it may appear in the sidebar or social menu depending on the title you're playing. Click the friends icon to open your social panel. This is where you can see your Epic friends list, your online status, and any pending requests waiting for you. After that, look for the Add Friends tab. This usually has a person icon with a plus sign, and it's where you can manage incoming and outgoing friend requests. Now, switch over to the pending requests area. Here you should see anyone who has sent you a friend request on Epic Games. To accept it, simply click the accept button next to their name. Once you do that, they'll be added to your friends list right away, and you'll be able to see their online status and invite them to games. If you don't see the request immediately, take a moment to double check that you're in the correct tab. Sometimes, friend requests are easy to miss if you're only looking at your main friends list. Also, depending on the game or launcher version, the layout may look a little different, but the steps are generally the same. There's another way you can accept a friend request too. If you click the user's name directly, you may be able to open their profile. From there, you can review their details and accept the request from the profile view instead. This is useful if you want to make sure you're accepting the right person before confirming, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to accept a friend request on Epic Games in just a few simple clicks. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.